Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy a Binance gift card on Eneba. First, open your web browser and go to the Eneba website. Locate the search bar, typically at the top of the page, and type Binance gift card. Press enter or click the search icon to view all available gift card listings. You will see various denominations and different sellers, so take a moment to compare prices and check seller reviews for a smooth transaction. Once you have found the perfect Binance gift card, click on its listing to view more details. You will see options for different values, such as $10 or $50. Choose the amount that suits your needs and then click the Add to Cart button. After adding it, you can either continue shopping or proceed directly to the checkout page to complete your purchase. At the checkout, you will need to provide your payment details. Eneba typically accepts several payment methods, including credit cards and various online payment services. Double-check all your order information, including the gift card value and your email address, to ensure accuracy. Once everything looks correct, click the Confirm Purchase button to complete your payment securely. After a successful purchase, Eneba will send the Binance gift card code to your registered email address, usually within a few minutes. Open the email and copy the unique code. Then, log into your Binance account, navigate to the gift card section, and paste the code there. The funds will be instantly added to your Binance wallet, ready for use.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.